Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube unboxing. I wasn't expecting to get these two packages that fast, but this is the quick unboxing. It's not much, but it's the quick unboxing on the TreeFrogs air fresheners from JDM, straight from Japan, imported from Japan. Yeah, you can see I got the Nissan and the Nissan right there. Anyways, let's start with this one. I pre-opened this one, so it won't have to be that hard to open. And we got a thank you card. Here it is. Everything's in English and Japanese. Oh, it works for the car, home, and office. It's not only for cars. In Japanese there it says white peach, meaning white tea and peach. And here it is. Open the lid. You get one of these tappers to hold the in place wherever you're gonna put it, whether it's in the car or the home or something. And it's kind of like a gel. You kind of peel this aluminum foil off, and that's about it. And then you just kind of put this plastic back, and you're good to go. I can't really smell it now, but yeah. Now to do this one. Oh wow, this one looks actually very nice and fancy. Fresh box. Ooh, this one has a scratch and sniff. Oh my god, this one smells so good. Holy Lord. I believe this is the same thing as the other one. This one's a mini though. Too bad they didn't have this in regular size. Oh yeah, it's the same thing but smaller. This one actually smells. I like this one. Put the cap back on. Oh, and this one actually comes with a squared thing to put it somewhere. You know, you just put it on the square piece right there. You just kind of put it right there. And I guess that's about it. And well guys, there's really not much else to say about this unboxing. Yeah, this one didn't come with a thank you or nothing. You know, but still. One of them is from DNA Motoring Japan. And this one is from JBD Empire Japan. Anyways. Thank you for watching this YouTube episode, which is a quick one. And always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Maybe next time I'll get the TV or the big audio interface. Oh yeah, and I'm looking to buy myself a mouse that lights up that's wireless from Sword Ninja or something like that. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you on the next one.